In this video, I will be showing you how to add jobs into the calendar. Firstly, to get onto the calendar we are going to click the View Calendar button. Here is where you can view the jobs you have for the day and future work. On the left you can see we have some unscheduled jobs that need to be booked in. To view the job, you can click on the Job Info link. This is the job sheet summary. It shows the customer's details, vehicle details and information about the job. To assign a time slot you can either drag and drop the job, or you can click on the Assign Slot link on the job which brings up a timetable. Select a date. Then click on the time slot you would like to assign the job. Click on Assign Job Sheet Time Slot to save. Once you have selected a date and time for the job, a pop-up will appear. Here you can choose to inform the customer that you have booked in their appointment. You can contact the customer via email and text message. You can also choose to not contact them by clicking Close Without Notifying button. If you want to change the date of a job, click onto the job and click the Change Slot link, located here. This then brings up a timetable. Here you can select a new date and a new time in the appropriate bay. Once you've finished making the changes, click the Save button. After choosing whether to inform or not inform the customer, click onto the date you chose to move the job to, and you will see it has been updated.